In England's most exclusive boarding school, one student has gone missing.
Something bad has happened to Joy.
Another has taken her place.
I don't totally trust her. Why? Because she's American.
And everyone has something to hide.
Her friends won't be a problem.
You mark my words.
This January, the hit series known around the world comes to U.S. television for the first time.
There is some sort of conspiracy going on.
And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before.
What if Joy's still here?
Follow the clues
She's determined to find out what's happened.
We must be determined to make sure she never does.
and unlock the secrets
Oh, the man who kills. He wants to stay forever. He wants to tip the scales of life.
as these 8 students will get even closer to the mystery
Tell me what's going on down in the cellar, Trisha.
and each other.
Genius!
Falls off his chair in amazement.
Coincidence? I think not.
Who can you trust?
I asked you to keep a secret.
Who should you fear?
I can, and I will, bring your time at this school to an end.
And the plot thickens, as they say.
In the House of Anubis, the brand new series premieres this January.
You look like you see a ghost.
I think we have.
Only on